Yeah, I definitely just got bamboozled. That was not him at all. Yeah, we got a sneaker meetup. We are kind of running late, so we'll catch y'all in the car. Yeah, so we're gonna put these in here. I didn't even give y'all a quick look through. Not much I gotta say, you know. But yeah, we're off to the meetup. Yeah, we like 5 minutes out from the meetup. Yeah, we like 5 minutes out. It's gonna be at a Dick's Sporting Good. To be honest, I don't even know how much I'm selling them for. I don't know what they were listed for. We didn't really come up with a price, I don't think. So whatever he sends me, that's what he sends me, I'm guessing. I'll probably look at it here in a minute when I get there. But I don't know. Let's see how this one goes. I don't know who the guy is. You never know who the guy is. Or female, because we do get females sometimes. But we'll see how I go. I'll catch y'all at the meetup. Oh, let me wipe this off a little bit. Alright, so we just made a Dick's Sporting Good. I think this might be my new meetup place. But he said he's in a red truck. He said he's here. I'm here. Waiting, so we're gonna see. I'll let y'all know when he gets here, or I'll turn it back on when he gets here. I might throw in the chat right here. I don't know, but we gonna see. It's always weird when they pull up because you really never know who it is. I mean, you might just be looking at the wrong person. I don't know, you never know. We gonna see when he gets here. All right, I'm pretty sure this is him in the red truck. Just because they was looking at me hard. Oops, what is that? But let's see. See if he wants me to even record. We're gonna see. All right, we're gonna see. Yeah, I definitely just got bamboozled. That was not him at all. They was in a truck. They were in a red truck, but he said a Chevy truck, so that definitely wasn't him. That was a Tundra. I didn't even think about it. I was just thinking. But he said he's here. I don't see him, so he better not be playing around. And then this girl's car came out with brown smoke. Golly. But we'll see here in a second. All right, retry. Let's try this again. Let's try this again. What's up with you? You mind being recorded? I bet. Here they go right here. Look at it. Yes, sir. Look good?
Cousin had a prayer, I needed it.
Yeah, let me see what this Cash App is.
You big into flipping or no?
Yeah, I actually got a sneaker app coming out in about 3 weeks. First one you can buy, sell, trade. All on one platform. 6% fees.
Yeah.
It'll be coming out in the next like 3 weeks or so.
Okay.
Just got it. All right.
You, man.
If you need anything else, just let me know.
Yeah, I got you. I'm gonna save you on it.
All right, bet. You have a good one.
You too, man.
Yeah, that's it, I guess. No, it ain't. Let me tell y'all what happened. So I had to stop it because he needed the cash out. It was $120, $130, one of them. I really didn't care. I wanted these off my hands regardless. But there you go, leaving. And that will be it for the video. If you like the video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want more like it, subscribe to the channel. Other than that, we out.